Have you ever dreamed of winning every contest, every opportunity, or simply achieving what your heart desires effortlessly? What if I told you there's a proven method for it, one so powerful that it turned an ordinary woman into a legend? Meet Helene Hadsell. Famously known as the contest queen, she didn't just win a few prizes, she won over 5,000 contests in her lifetime, from luxurious trips to dream homes, all using a simple yet profound technique. In today's video, we'll unravel the secret behind her success, the SPEC method. You'll discover how Helene mastered the art of manifestation, why this method works, and how you can start applying it to win, not just contests, but in every area of your life. Stay with us until the end, because the insights we're about to share could change how you see the world and your place in it forever. Welcome to Imaginative Realities. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to join us in exploring the limitless power of the human mind and the art of manifestation. Let's get started. Helene Hadsell was no ordinary woman. Known as the contest queen, she achieved something most would consider impossible, winning over 5,000 contests in her lifetime. From exotic vacations and luxury cars to a fully furnished dream home, Helene's life was a testimony to the power of focused intention. But her journey didn't start with luck, it started with curiosity and an unshakable belief in the possibilities of the mind. Her fascination with the law of attraction began when she read about the concept of thoughts creating reality. Determined to test this idea, she applied its principles to contests, a field where chance and randomness supposedly ruled. Helene didn't just enter contests, she entered them with unwavering certainty that she would win. She visualized her name as the winner, felt the excitement of claiming her prize, and trusted that it was already hers. Time after time, her belief turned into reality. What makes Helene's story so inspiring is that she didn't view her success as unique to her. She believed anyone could achieve similar results with the right mindset. Through her life, she demonstrated that belief combined with focus and action could transform dreams into tangible outcomes. The SPEC method, created and used by Helene Hadsell, is a straightforward yet powerful process to turn desires into reality. It stands for select, project, expect, and collect, 4 key steps that anyone can follow to manifest their goals effectively. The first step, select, emphasizes clarity. Helene always stressed the importance of being specific about what you want. Whether it was a dream home or a luxury car, she would narrow her focus down to the finest details. This clarity set the foundation for her success, as the universe responds best to well-defined intentions. Next comes project. This step is about visualization, where you imagine yourself already having achieved your desire. Helene would close her eyes and immerse herself in the experience of winning, feeling the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if it had already happened. She treated her visualizations not as dreams but as memories of a future event already secured. The third step, expect, is perhaps the most critical. This is where unwavering belief comes in. Helene trusted that what she desired was already hers and eliminated all doubt from her mind. She knew that any wavering in belief could block the manifestation process, so she stayed firm in her confidence. Finally, collect is about taking action and being ready to receive. Manifestation isn't passive. Helene would always do her part, whether it was entering contests, filling out forms, or writing letters, knowing these actions would bring her closer to her goals. She also received her winnings with gratitude, reinforcing the cycle of abundance. One remarkable example of the SPEC method in action was when Helene manifested a fully furnished dream home. She didn't just imagine the house, she visualized walking through each room, feeling the textures of the furniture, and hearing the sound of her family enjoying the space. True to her belief, she won the exact house she envisioned in a contest down to the smallest detail. This wasn't luck, it was the SPEC method in motion. Manifestation is a powerful tool, but even the most determined individuals can stumble into common pitfalls that derail the process. One of the biggest obstacles is doubt and fear. These emotions act as invisible barriers, blocking the flow of energy needed for manifestation to work. When you doubt your ability to achieve something or fear it might not happen, you send mixed signals to the universe. Instead of aligning with your desire, you unintentionally reinforce its absence. Another critical mistake is a lack of clarity. Many people have vague goals, like wanting more money or a better life, but manifestation thrives on specificity. If you're not clear about what you want, how can you expect the universe to deliver? For example, instead of saying, "I want to win a trip," you should detail the destination, the experience, and how you'll feel when you're there. The more specific you are, the easier it is to visualize and focus on your goal. Finally, there's the misconception that manifestation is entirely passive, a belief that thinking about something is enough to make it happen. This leads to the common mistake of forgetting the action step. Manifestation requires inspired effort. It's not enough to dream about a new job. You need to update your resume, apply for positions, and prepare for interviews. Helene Hadsell herself always took tangible steps, like entering contests and following up on opportunities, while maintaining faith in the process. Action bridges the gap between intention and reality, making the impossible achievable. Applying the SPEC method is simpler than you might think, and it starts with small, actionable steps. First, focus on the select phase by identifying one clear, specific goal. If you're new to manifestation, start with something small and achievable, like finding a parking spot or receiving an unexpected compliment. Write down your goal in detail, be as precise as possible. This helps your mind focus and gives the universe a clear blueprint to work with. Next is project. Take a moment each day to close your eyes and visualize your goal as if it has already happened. Imagine every detail, the sights, sounds, and emotions you would feel. The key here is to connect deeply with the feeling of already having what you desire. It's not just about seeing it, it's about experiencing it in your mind as if it's real. The expect phase requires trust. Believe that your goal is already on its way to you. Eliminate doubt and focus on the certainty that what you want is yours. This step can be challenging because fear and skepticism often creep in. To build your belief, remind yourself of small successes you've had before or look for evidence of manifestation working in your life. Finally, there's collect. This is where action comes into play. Look for opportunities that align with your goal and take inspired steps toward it. For instance, if you're visualizing a new job, apply for roles, update your resume, and prepare for interviews. Action shows your commitment and strengthens your connection to the outcome. Remember, patience and consistency are essential. Manifestation isn't always instant. It requires time to align your energy with your desires. But with practice, the SPEC method can become a natural and rewarding part of your daily life. The SPEC method is a powerful way to turn your dreams into reality. We've explored how selecting a clear goal, projecting your desire with emotion, expecting it with unwavering belief, and collecting through inspired action can transform your life. These steps, when practiced consistently, open the door to endless possibilities. Ready to start winning in life? Begin with the SPEC method today and watch the magic unfold. Remember, the power to create your reality is already within you, waiting for you to tap into it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Imaginative Realities for more insights on manifestation and the limitless power of the mind. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.